In primetime news this evening, Dr. Andrew Holness sworn in as Prime Minister.
Police list the most wanted man in connection of murder of a 2-year-old boy.
And school leaders welcome push by the police to get students into school. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Dwayne Anderson.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Andrea, as Jamaica looks to get more visitors into the island, stakeholders will be making a sales pitch to partners based in South and Central America. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
And historic day for Jamaica at World Athletics Championships in Tokyo as the nation's medal tally moves to 5.
So now that you've said that, what will Renardo say? Renardo, what else is coming up?
Yeah, I tell you what, you got so excited. Yes, the medal tally is at 5. Historic day. We won 2 medals in the men's 110-meter hurdles. Not sure many Jamaicans thought that we would have done so. And also, former captain dropped for West Indies Test tour of Pakistan. We'll tell you all about those stories and much more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Renardo. And Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Andrea. We did have cloudy conditions across most of the area today with that tropical wave. It has now moved towards the west and we expect sunny conditions over the next couple of days.
But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your expectations of Dr. Andrew Holness's 3rd term as Prime Minister?
Share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1.
All right, and our new handle, as you know, Dwayne, is TVJ News Center.
Indeed.
So stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.